이제 유니버셜 이제 스튜디오 들어가게 됩니다. 근데 10시부터라고 그랬죠? 쓰리웍을, 여기 쓰리웍 써 있잖아요? 우리가 내려가면 됩니다.
Pass all those boarded at once.
On the world famous Universal Studios tour. Before you get comfortable, make sure the young children and go all the way down to what's been currently released. Our song.
Hi everybody, I'm Carson the Elephant. Our show is filmed on stage 12. It happens to be
At all times, you never know who or what you might see on the tour. 39 New York World's Fair. Since the two, starring Mark Wahlberg and Ted. Ted is standing in front of a series of Lieutenant Paul Walker, Reese Witherspoon. Today they are production executive produced by Jennifer Lopez. Some of your favorite movies and television shows. The set is sealing all facades, just the walls, fronts, and sides of the building. In fact, that brick structure to your left, that's not brick at all. A couple of months ago, making a new episode. That's right. Well, it's located on your left. Pretty cool, huh? Looks just like real buildings with a camera. Coordinate such a complicated live broadcast is a fact at the home base. Our metropolitan sets are featured in all sorts of television shows, and includes a remote island known as Skull Island. Is it Canada?
Saw that movie on TV when I was on board the ship sailing to a lost island.
Alright, we're on the way to Skull Island. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Skull Island! and gentlemen, King Kong 363D! Five Academy Awards working on Over the years, picture cars have become bigger, badder, faster, as audiences embrace their need for speed. Sometimes each one of the cars in one car did the entire stunt. Realistically, the one car did the entire stunt. The City Walk is its own part readability to experience that this evening. But don't run like that, Studios Hollywood, except for that one and that one and that one. What did it do? Plays an integral part in setting the mood for motion pictures such as
Expect snow and sleet on New York Street and Broad. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at
Mexico. It says flash flood warning. Our Roker's just playing. He's just playing. But okay, it's raining, but it's only because a 50-50 chance of rain. You know, or we have blowing here. Oh, I'll take cover back there in the second and third car. Did you see the looks on their faces when they thought the water was actually going to go? Yeah, we fooled you with that. We dumped thousands of gallons of recycled water from tanks at the top of the hill. The water crashes down the hill, gets pumped right back into the tanks at the top of the hill, so we can get somebody else with it. It's featured in Big Fat Liar. In the section of the room now, Back to the Future Part 3, which takes place in the Old West. Now, Mary Stevens has taken a few steps towards the building of the Silent Western. Most of these films, things went horribly awry. That's right, and coming up on your left is the house featured in all our channels, Home and Family.
It's like Home and Family. Hi, Universal Studio fans.
Split-level soundstage. Up above, we've recreated an urban street scene with trucks and cars. Down below where we are, no one there's nothing to tell them. Whoa, hey, whoa, hey. That's just a to worry about. Well, okay, there's that. But wait, there's more. I regret nothing. Oh, now don't panic. There's plenty of water for everybody. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Please take your seat. In the first car. Please take your seat. Thank you. So feel free to take pictures of all the police drivers will go out and tell us how they caught the shark. I read somewhere that when sharks are about to attack, they submerge. There's his. You know what? We attached the rope precedent. Like that. And that. Woo, that's hot. That's Africa hot. Tarzan can't take that kind of hot. Want to see it again? I've heard that before. So they started calling the movie Flaws. This is the house featured in dozens and dozens of miles. Anybody need a shower? It looks like he's getting ready for spring break coming up as guests here at the motel. And that's not part of the deal. Oscar, call security. Oh, he won't catch us. We have a top speed of 8 miles an hour. Don't touch him, 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 don't touch him. traffic towards us. It's further away from the motel than it actually is. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the spectators. This amazing set is what remains of the neighborhood where Tom Cruise hides out in War of the World, which was destroyed specifically for this incredible scene.
Stephen. Again, to sit down to talk about the War of the World. That's all I'm
Shots. Speaking of special effects, the airplane is real, the water is real, the actors are real, and everything behind the shot. Don't reveal yourself, we don't want to know. And we were told that we need to make a detour. We're almost at the end of the tour, ladies and gentlemen. This is an old hangout for street racers. This is for the party, y'all. Oh, yeah. Hey, Oscar, maybe we should stick around a little longer just for safety's sake. Oh, yeah. Hey! Hey, we just got here.
What we doing? This is the race day after party. And the Roman pitch on the ground right now. Ladies, tell me, Roman, who do you work for? We don't work for nobody. Not my suggestion clear out of here, otherwise you can't guarantee yourself. Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun. Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Let's put this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss. That ugly, real interesting.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Roman.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
Ah, he's got fire.
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Hook him up.
I got the bull by the horn!
Now we're moving.
You're gonna go in the tunnel and call it a day! I've got company! The witness is mine, Daddy!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Find him!
Way to go, Lily. Don't line up the missile shot. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. Roman, don't shoot. Head for the bridge. Under construction. Everybody hold. Hit the nitrous.
Super Show! And all of us here at NBC Universal Studios Hollywood app. I'll give you the show times and wait times for your time leisure. Hey, come back and join us.